The world of trading can seem complex and daunting, especially for newcomers. Countless indicators and strategies promise to unlock market secrets and guarantee profits. However, one tool stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness: the parabolic stop and reverse, commonly known as Parabolic SAR. This unique indicator helps traders identify trends, spot potential reversals, and manage risk. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, understanding Parabolic SAR can significantly enhance your trading decisions. This essay delves into the intricacies of Parabolic SAR, equipping you with the knowledge to navigate the markets more confidently. The beauty of Parabolic SAR lies in its visual clarity. Unlike other indicators that may appear convoluted, Parabolic SAR uses a series of dots plotted on a price chart. These dots provide clear buy or sell signals, making it easier for traders to interpret market movements. By understanding how to read these signals, you can time your entries and exits more effectively, potentially maximizing profits and minimizing losses. Imagine a trailing stop-loss order that constantly adjusts to the market's rhythm. That's essentially what Parabolic SAR does. Instead of a fixed stop-loss level, Parabolic SAR creates a trailing stop that follows the price action like a protective shadow. As the price moves in your favor, the stop-loss level trails behind, locking in profits and limiting potential losses. The key to understanding Parabolic SAR lies in the position of the dots relative to the price bars. When the dots are below the price bars, it signals an uptrend, suggesting a buy opportunity. Conversely, when the dots are above the price bars, it indicates a downtrend, suggesting a sell or short selling opportunity. This simple yet effective visual representation makes it easier for traders to identify potential trading opportunities. While the visual aspect of Parabolic SAR is crucial, understanding its underlying calculation provides a deeper insight into its workings. The formula for Parabolic SAR involves three key terms: PSAR, AF, and EP. PSAR stands for Parabolic Stop and Reverse, representing the value of the indicator at a given point. AF stands for Acceleration Factor, which influences how closely the Parabolic SAR trails the price. The AF value starts small and increases incrementally with each new high, in an uptrend or low in a downtrend, up to a predetermined maximum. This acceleration factor allows the Parabolic SAR to adapt to the market's volatility, trailing closer during strong trends and further away during ranging markets. EP stands for Extreme Point and represents the highest high, in an uptrend, or lowest low, in a downtrend, reached during the current price move. The EP value plays a crucial role in determining the starting point for the next Parabolic SAR calculation. By combining these three elements, the Parabolic SAR formula generates a dynamic trailing stop-loss level that adjusts to the market's ebb and flow. Trading with Parabolic SAR involves identifying buy and sell signals based on the position of the dots relative to the price bars. When the Parabolic SAR dots are below the price bars, it suggests an uptrend and a potential buy signal. Conversely, when the dots are above the price bars, it indicates a downtrend and a potential sell or short selling signal. However, it's crucial to remember that Parabolic SAR is a reactive indicator, meaning it follows the price action rather than predicting it. Therefore, it's essential to use Parabolic SAR in conjunction with other technical indicators or price action patterns to confirm the trend and avoid false signals. Section 5 Illustrative Example. Let's consider a practical example to illustrate how Parabolic SAR works in a real trading scenario. Imagine a stock is in an uptrend and the Parabolic SAR dots are trailing below the price bars. As the price continues to rise, the dots move closer to the price, acting as a trailing stop-loss. If the price suddenly reverses and breaks below the Parabolic SAR dots, it generates a sell signal. Conversely, if the price is in a downtrend and the dots are above the price bars, a break above the dots would generate a buy signal. By understanding the interplay between the price action and the Parabolic SAR dots, traders can identify potential entry and exit points for their trades. Section 6 Advantages of Parabolic SAR. Parabolic SAR offers several advantages for traders, making it a popular tool in technical analysis. Firstly, its visual clarity simplifies trend identification. The dot's position relative to price bars provides a clear and concise representation of the prevailing trend, making it easier for traders to interpret market movements. Secondly, its trailing stop-loss feature helps manage risk effectively. By automatically adjusting the stop-loss level as the price moves in your favor, Parabolic SAR helps protect profits and limit potential losses. This dynamic risk management aspect is particularly beneficial in volatile markets where prices can fluctuate rapidly. Section 7. Disadvantages of Parabolic SAR. While Parabolic SAR offers several advantages, it also has certain limitations. One notable drawback is its sensitivity to whipsaws, especially in sideways or ranging markets. When the price oscillates within a tight range, the Parabolic SAR dots can flip-flop above and below the price bars, generating false signals and potentially leading to losses. Another disadvantage is its tendency to lag behind the price action. As a reactive indicator, Parabolic SAR follows the price rather than predicting it. This lag can result in delayed signals, especially during sharp price reversals. Traders need to be aware of these limitations and use Parabolic SAR in conjunction with other indicators or price action patterns to improve its reliability. Section 8. Parabolic SAR versus moving averages. While both Parabolic SAR and moving averages are popular technical indicators, they serve different purposes. Moving averages smooth out price fluctuations to identify the overall trend direction, while Parabolic SAR focuses on identifying potential trend reversals and providing trailing stop-loss levels. Moving averages are lagging indicators that trail behind the price action, making them less sensitive to short-term price fluctuations. However, this lag can also lead to delayed signals, especially during sharp price reversals. Parabolic SAR, on the other hand, is a more reactive indicator that adjusts to the price action more quickly. However, this sensitivity can also make it prone to whipsaws, especially in sideways markets. Section 9. Conclusion and further learning. Parabolic SAR is a valuable tool for traders seeking to enhance their trading strategies. Its simplicity, visual clarity, and trailing stop-loss feature make it an attractive option for both novice and experienced traders. By understanding the mechanics of Parabolic SAR, its advantages and limitations, traders can make more informed trading decisions and potentially improve their profitability. To delve deeper into Parabolic SAR, consider exploring online resources, trading courses, or experimenting with the indicator on a demo account. Practical experience is crucial for understanding how Parabolic SAR behaves in different market conditions and developing effective trading strategies. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are key to success in the ever-evolving world of trading. For those interested in a more hands-on approach, here's a simple Python code example using the TA library to calculate and plot Parabolic SAR on a price chart. Import iFinance as YF, import pandas as PD, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT from ta.trend, import PSAR indicator data $YF.download AAPL start $2023-0101 end $2023-1231 indicator _SAR PSAR indicator high data high low data low close data close data PSAR indicator _SAR.SAR plot data SAR label Parabolic SAR marker O line style plot label date plot by label price plot.title Apple Inc. AAPL closing price with Parabolic SAR plot.legend grid true plot.show. This code snippet demonstrates how to calculate and visualize Parabolic SAR using Python, allowing you to explore its application in a practical setting. By experimenting with different parameters and data sets, you can gain a deeper understanding of this powerful trading indicator and its potential to enhance your trading strategies.